friends. Today's story is called My Day by DK. Good morning. I wake up and stretch. It's the start of a new day. I wash my face and put on my clothes. I sit down to eat my breakfast. I put on my shoes and my coat for school. I play with the shapes at school. I learn games with my class. It's lunchtime. I sit down to eat my lunch. I ride and swing and slide at the playground. Good afternoon. I jump around to music before I go home. I play with my toys when I get home. I help cook dinner. I take a bath and brush my teeth after eating my dinner. I put on my pajamas and then read a book. I get into bed. It's the end of my day. Good night. And here are some words you may not know. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Cook is to make food ready for eating. Lunch is a meal eaten in the middle of the day. Playground is an outdoor place where children play. And school is a building where children go to learn.